So if you've been going to church long enough, no doubt you have heard the question of we are called to be people of justice. We are called to help repair and restore the universe. So what are you going to do about fill in the blank? How are you going to be an agent of change? How are you going to help transform the world? If you go to church, you've heard the minister say that. I say that all the time. And this Sunday, we're going to talk about that, but here's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how maybe that's the wrong question we should be asking. Or at the very least, maybe we should be asking another question alongside it. And maybe there's a better question we should ask when it comes to being people of justice and transforming the world. A question that not only accomplishes that, but also that helps change this and transform us. And we're going to do that by looking at this really ancient story that is in the Bible that we don't talk about enough, but that is this beautiful and powerful story. And so if you're looking to look at how we're supposed to be in the world, if you are interested in changing that and this, I want to invite you to come and join me and the rest of Wellington Square United Church in downtown Burlington. We are an Affirming church that gratefully gathers in the land of the Mississaugas of the Credit. And what we're all about is following the way of Jesus and learning how to be human in the most truest and fullest of ways. And so if that sounds like something you are looking for, come and join us. Everyone belongs in our community, and that includes kids and youth. We believe church is for them as well. And every Sunday we have programs designed specifically for them. So bring the whole family. All the details are below. We'll see you Sunday morning at 10 a.m. at Wellington Square Church in downtown Burlington.